I got to make sure that it's on the fast speed, which is what we want, and it's spinning the right way. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a hole right there. Yabba dabba doo.
You said that, Tytus? Yabba dabba doo?
Yabba dabba doo. Amazing, actually. How old are you now? Are you 4?
I'm 4 years old.
You are 4 years old.
You're doing great. Okay. Okay. You're just sort of kissing the nail. You gotta persuade it. Okay. Get it the rest of the way down now. Okay. Remember what I said about the wrist.
Good. Good job, son.
And give this one a couple of whacks. Whack, whack. That's good. Okay, give this one a whack. With authority. Whack. Oh, I love it.
This is how men are made.
All right.
Are you excited for your birdhouse, Tytus?
Then you gotta find some milk thistle seeds. Probably get some on
I put a little
Amazon.
bit of wood right there.
Yeah, here, get away from the drill for a second. You're getting good progress, Tytus.
Choke up a little bit more. Hold your hand closer to the head. This is the head of the hammer. And just have your hand there, and then use your wrist and go back and forth like that, okay?
All right,
And
get
I'll
that
hold
top
it-
one.
I'll hold it straight up for you. That's it.
All right, here. Daddy will give you some juice, all right? Look at that.
Hooray!
It's coming in.
Okay, one more side here.
Yeah.
And put on the back, and we're golden.
We're golden. Look at you go, Tytus. You're making a birdhouse.
Hey, that's good.
Yeah. That's some nice power. Yeah.
Look at it go. Look at it go. Keep it going. You got 2 or 3 more hits. Good solid hits. A little harder.
Good.
One more really good one with a whack.
Oh, no, not that one. The
This
other
one
one
here.
Right there. Watch out for Grandpa. Nice.
Okay, see? This one you don't feel it's sticking out. It's a little bigger than the other side, but it's not a big deal. Okay. A little bit more. One more time. Let's see how it looks.
It's pretty good.
Pretty good, just where I want it. Okay. And now, all we do is we put it like this. Ah, boom. Ooey magooey. Hand me that board between your legs.
All right, Tytus, that's the last nail. Put it in. There you go. Good hammering, son. That
You are
was
doing
pretty
great,
good.
Titus. Just absolutely great.
All right, hold it up. What do you think?
Good.
You like it? You want to go show your mama? Go show your mom?
Yeah.
All right, let's go show mommy.
She'll think it's amazing. Oh, we forgot one thing.
Yes.
We got to put the perch on.
Oh, let's put the perch
We
on.
got to put the perch on. How could we forget the perch? All done. We're all done.
All right, you cut the bird perch.
Now I got to put the bird perch in. Got to twist it in there until I feel it with my finger. Oh,
I can feel it.
that's it. Oh, that is a good-looking birdhouse. I'll tell you.
That is a good-looking birdhouse.
That is one fine birdhouse.
All right,
All right.
it's all done. How does it feel?
Good.
Feels
Yeah,
good.
Feels good.
Ooh.
Now you just got to put it in a tree and give it some milk thistle seeds so that the goldfinches will come and make a nest in it. And then you can see them making their nest, and you can see them laying their eggs, and you can see them feeding their chicks when the chicks hatch, and then you can see all the baby little chicks learn to fly. Won't that be nice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be kind of fun.
Do
Yeah.
you know some of those up there
That's an awesome birdhouse. And did you put those screws in there?
Yeah.
And those nails?
Yep.
Wow,
The screws and the nails.
That
And
is wonderful.
He put his hand right under mine to do some of the cutting.
The birds will love it.
They will.
They
That's
are going to
great.
have a great time in that
Is he
house.
gonna take it home?
Yeah. We'll take it home and put it in a
A
tree.
couple of deck screws. So you
High
can-
five? High five on
Can we
your
give her a
bird.
high
Oh, that's so awesome.
five?